fix. MC Plumbing's got the tricks. In Eugene and Springfield too, Cameron Long's the one for you. For your pipes, don't stress, don't strain. MC Plumbing soothes the pain. Honest service work you'll trust. Efficiently, they're always just. Toilets clogged or sinks that drip, MC Plumbing makes the trip. From your home to business calls, Cameron service never stalls. For your pipes, don't stress, don't strain. MC Plumbing soothes the pain. Honest service work you'll trust. Efficiently, they're always just. When you need someone who cares, MC Plumbing's always there. Call them up and right away, you'll have no more leaks today. For your pipes, don't stress, don't strain. MC Plumbing soothes the pain. Honest service work you'll trust. Efficiently, they're always just. For your pipes, don't stress, don't strain. MC Plumbing soothes the pain. Honest service work you'll trust. Efficiently, they're always just.